Hi there. I'm going to give you some feedback on your writing. First of all, I noticed you wrote several paragraphs, which is great. Um, you might want to work on, transitions between paragraphs, which would help your writing flow. You have a good sentence variety, so long and shorter sentences, and you have used clauses, which is great. Um, Mainly, I notice there's a little bit of, a few grammar errors, some tense errors. For example, here, usually, remember with usually, that signals to us that we're going to use present tense for routines and habits. So what should the tense be here? I usually don't count my stress level. And here's a word choice error. So I usually don't pay attention to my stress in life because um, I forget stressful situations in general. So we don't need an article when we talk about things in general. Okay, so because I forget stressful situations right away and I can concentrate on my busy daily life again. Again, here, same error. You want to change that to simple present. I don't recognize my body. Um, hmm. I again it's word choice, so um I don't maybe I don't sense, that's the word we would use in English. I don't sense when I'm stressed. Um and I also ignore my stress levels. Um Again, this is happening now. So as I write this diary, um, I think about, again, because you're using simple present, how I can relieve. And here you use a modal verb, so that's good. By looking back on the moment I get stressed. And the next. This is an incomplete thought. So you should finish that. And the next what? When I get stressed, I look. Here is a error in, it's an adjective, participle adjective. So instead of I look scary, we say I look scared. Making people nervous and feeling, again, word choice error. And I'm not sure what you mean by heavy. Maybe you mean, I know what you're trying to say here, but that's not how we would say it in this context. Um, so how do people react to when I'm feeling this stress? What would we say in English? Making people feel nervous and um, maybe they want to stay away. So, and feeling like they want to stay away. I think it would be good to use the imaginative method I learned in class. I also seem to lack time to lie down quietly and rest. I always work from the morning and go to exercise or go to school after work. Okay, in the morning and go to exercise or go to school after work. I learned the biggest lesson from writing. Now I don't have to manage my time more. Um, I need to focus on making a balanced life, working, and school. So even if I have a high level of stress, it will soon be reduced and it will be the foundation for my growth. That's nicely expressed. Okay, so what are we going to work on? Word choice, verb tenses, um, participle adjectives, and articles.